family, my neighbors and my friends, standing firm together against oppression, holding hands. It doesn't matter where you're from, or if you're young or woman or man, we're here for the same reason. We want to take back our land. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, calling you for freedom, freedom. You know you can hear our call. Oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. You know you won't let us fall. Oh, you know you're here with us. No more being prisoners in our homes, no more being afraid to talk. Our dream is just to be free, just to be free.
Bahaya permintaan kita satu sahaja, iaitu hentikan pembunuhan.
Getting closer and closer, we're almost there. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, calling you for freedom, freedom. You know you can hear our call. Oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom.
Pada saat anak-anak Syria dibom, mereka dibunuh, mereka ditimbun sebuah runtuhan-runtuhan bangunan sehingga saat ini. Wahai para pemimpin dunia, we must intervene now.
And it makes me strong to see everyone standing together, holding hands in unity, shouting out loudly.
Hentikan pembunuhan terhadap Syria, bagi kebebasan penduduk Syria. Kemudian dia turun di situ daripada kekuasaannya.
Oh God, we know you hear our call, and we calling you for freedom.